What's up guys, Matt from Faema, Canada here. Today we're making a classic mojito using the mint zero syrup from Fabbri. The classic mojito uses fresh mint, rum, and a simple syrup. However, we've got something better. The mint zero is a great alternative for those who are trying to cut the calories, but still bring that full flavor. The mint zero is gonna be a really cool addition, and it really takes all the guessing out of the situation when making a mojito. So the mojito is a build in the glass type of drink. We don't need any equipment for this one. All we need is our classic jigger and a spoon to make a really high quality drink. We're gonna start with 1 ounce of our mint zero syrup. So the mojito won't be the same without freshly squeezed lime juice. I've already got a lime cut in half, and we're gonna squeeze about 1 ounce of lime juice. So for those that wanna make this a mocktail, you pretty much stop here and skip the next portion because we're gonna be adding in 1.5 ounces of our white rum. So if you want to spike it, you're going to be adding in 1.5 ounces of a white rum. For a mojito, we need fresh mint leaves. So we're going to take about 6 to 8 leaves, and we're actually not going to muddle. It's a popular misconception. When you muddle the mint leaves, you actually risk tearing the mint, and that's going to release the bitter flavors. So all we want to do is take the mint leaves in our hand and give it just 1 slap. That's all you need, and you drop it in, and that's going to release all of the aromatics that we want in our mojito. So basically our mojito at this point is done in terms of the ingredients. All we have to do is add in our crushed ice and then top it with soda. And we're just going to fill it all the way with crushed ice. You really can't add enough. We're going to give this a nice quick stir to really make sure that it's all nice and mixed together. We're going to top it with some soda. And for our garnish, we have another mint sprig here. We'll do 1 more. We're also going to garnish this with Fabbri's Candied ginger to really bring it to the next level. That's your mojito, everybody. Cheers. Thank you for watching. Feel free to check out more of our cool content on our Instagram page at Faema_Canada. And for all your Fabbri product needs, check out our website, faema.ca.